In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove Deluxe from TaxAct. Now, in case you went to the view upgrade options down here at the bottom left inside your return, and you've decided to actually upgrade to Deluxe, so you clicked on the upgrade button over here, it's going to basically upgrade your card, etc., just like this. Now, if you want to downgrade and remove it back to where you were earlier, so in the basic version, then all you have to do is basically start a new return, okay? Because it's actually, there's no way to downgrade, and even says on their website that you can't actually downgrade. However, you can go ahead and of course create and start a new return. So I'm going to go to the top right. You want to click on my account, and it's going to load in your account where you can see all your tax returns. And from here, you'll see this is going to be your return, which you basically had on Deluxe. So here it says Deluxe 1040. Of course, if you haven't printed this one yet, you could go ahead and even delete it over here. So if you haven't printed it or kind of e-filed it or whatever, you'll be able to delete this one as well, but you can just leave it over here if you wanna. And then from here, you can start or add a new return by clicking over here, starting a new one, and that way you've successfully removed Deluxe from TaxAct, okay? So that's the only way. You have to open up a new return and you're good to go. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.